Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today we are going to do a really fun haul video. And I have gotten 2 bags and some accessories from Quince. Now, if you guys didn't see my Quince luggage review, seriously go back and watch it because I am so impressed with their luggage. It is extremely affordable, extremely durable, and really kind of rivals a lot of the big brands, but at a much lower price point. And that's what Quince is all about. So a lot of you guys in the comments of that video asked about a lot of their other travel accessories, and I got a whole bunch of them. Quince was lovely and sent me 4 different items to show you guys today. And here they all are. They all came in a dust bag, which is awesome. You guys want to see what's in them? I think you do. We're gonna go ahead and open them, but first, are you subscribed to this channel? I really hope you are, but if you're not, please press that subscribe button down below. I travel often and pack well and want to help you do the same. So whether I am reviewing travel essential items or whether I am doing packing videos, I am your girl for all things travel. Okay, so let's open up all of these dust bags and see the items that we got. This one right here is going to be one of their toiletry bags in the neoprene fabric. The Neoprene Backpack in the blue color. Then we have the Neoprene Duffel in this olive color. And then we have their set of packing cubes in gray. Look at how colorful everything is. Let's go ahead and start with the Neoprene Backpack. You guys, I love this blue color. So this is the neoprene fabric, and this backpack is made out of 18 recycled water bottles, which is really cool. And of course it's gonna be water resistant, because why would you buy a travel accessory if it wasn't? So this does come in 3 colors. It comes in a gray, a black, and this beautiful color right here. It is 17 inches tall, 11.5 inches wide, and then 5 inches deep. So this will definitely be good as a personal item. Obviously, it's so cute and tiny. This does hold 16 liters, which is great for a smaller backpack. And it didn't have the weight on the website, so we're gonna go ahead and weigh it right now. It is empty except for the little bag that it comes with. It is just over 2 pounds, 2.08 to be exact. Now, I don't really know with a lot of these videos if I should be saying the name of the company that these tend to be inspired by, that they're definitely cheaper, but a lot of you guys out there already know that this is kind of a more inexpensive dupe for a different brand out there. In the front, we do have this little pocket right here, and it does look like it has some elastic for pens, and we love a good front pocket. On the side here, we do have a little pocket for water bottles or whatnot, and we do have a nice little pull right here to maybe be able to attach your keys or whatever else you might want to attach there. On the other side, you have another little pocket as well. And on the back, obviously you have a little handle here. You have some very nice padded straps. These are going to be adjustable, of course. And then you have this little trolley sleeve here. It doesn't have a zipper on the bottom. It is just a trolley sleeve. Awesome. Also on the back, you have this nice little hidden zipper compartment, which is great because backpacks always need some sort of little hidden pocket, so that if you are going out and about and you are worried about theft or pickpocketing, you can put some of your stuff in here, like your passport or your wallet. Now let's go ahead and open it up. These are YKK zippers, and this is the inside. I'm gonna fold it kind of open like this so you can see. So this is where you're going to be able to fit your laptop. It is padded and does have mesh. You are going to have your little Velcro strap and be able to fit your laptop in here. Then you do have a little mesh pocket here. Maybe you want to have your water bottle inside, or maybe you want to put something else in there. You do have one on each side. The front has nothing on the top, but on the bottom here, there is another pocket just to be able to put whatever in. It's kind of the same size as this outer pocket. And then it does come with this little wristlet with this elastic cord, which is removable. So obviously you could use this as a wallet or something else, and you can take it off and put maybe keys on here or something else. Now obviously this isn't full, but let me show you guys what it looks like on my body. Let's move on to the duffel. All right, you guys, this is the Neoprene Duffel, and this is the color olive, although it does come in 3 different colors. So first let's talk about the shape, because this makes it just kind of normal, typical duffel shape, but I can unsnap these and it can get more of a taller, bigger shape like that. And then that's what's interesting, because to me, this looks like it could totally be personal item sized, but of course we are going to end up measuring it so that we can really see. So the measurements can be a little bit different, probably depending on if we've snapped it or not. This is about 12 inches high. It is about 9 inches deep. And when it's like this, it's about 15 inches across. But if you have it up like this, obviously it can become a lot bigger. And in that case, 22.5 inches long. So it really just depends on the way that you want to use it. And I love the options. It holds 29 liters and the weight isn't listed on the website. So let's go ahead and weigh it. The weight is 2.2 pounds. So that's great. Let's give you a little tour of the outside of the bag, and we're gonna keep it like this for right now. You have this front pocket here, which has a snap, and it does go all the way down to the very bottom. So this pocket is about this size. All the sides are these little snaps right here, and then this is the back. And you are going to have this really nice trolley pass through here. Again, there's not a zipper on the bottom, so it is just a trolley pass through. And then you do have this nice little hidden pocket right here to be able to hide some stuff. So let's put my phone in there. Perfect. Pickpocketers beware. Now this is your drop right here. The length of the drop is about 7 inches. It can fit on my arm, which is great. And of course there is a crossbody strap that I will show you guys a little bit later. There is this nice little snap to be able to snap the handles together. And then the D-rings for the crossbody strap are here and here. This is the strap that comes with it. Let's go ahead and attach it. And the thing I'm noticing about this strap, you guys, is that it is not padded. So do be a little bit aware of that. This is it with it all the way down, and it does come just a little bit above my hip. If you wanted to make it a shoulder strap, you could totally do that too. This is with it as short as it can go. Now let's go ahead and open the inside of the bag, and I love it. Let's start with this side. This zippered pocket right here, and it's a pretty decent sized pocket. On the other side, we do have a laptop compartment here. This is padded and has the Velcro strap. This is how my 13-inch laptop fits inside. There's definitely room for a bigger one. We do have that same great elastic little key leash right here that does come with its own little bag. So again, this is removable if you wanted to use this as a little wallet or use this elastic for something else, but I definitely love this little attachment. And then on the inside on this part, you have this big mesh opening right here, and it is the entire height of the bag. And they're Velcroed, and you have one on this side as well. This can be great for a water bottle, obviously, but it is pretty big, so you could really use it for a lot of different stuff. And I'm really excited to pack this bag for you one day. There is another little hook right here if you have something that you need to attach to it. Because with a big duffel bag like this that holds 29 liters, it's very easy to lose some stuff. So organization is always going to be very important. Again, this is water resistant, and this one was made out of 21 recycled plastic bottles. Oh, and there are feet on the bottom, but they're just kind of little flat ones. They're not anything that actually, you know, have a height to it or anything. Let's go ahead and move on to the toiletries bag. All right, so this is the Neoprene Toiletries Bag, and I love this little tan color. And as you guys can see, they do have these snaps on the side, just like the Duffel, where I can snap it to make it a little bit more rectangular versus this. Let's go ahead and measure it real quick. When it's like this, it is 12 inches long by 6 inches high and gets to be about 4 inches deep. But when it is down, it's more about 9 inches long. I don't think the weight of a toiletries bag really matters too much, but let's weigh it anyway. 0.78 pounds. Let's open it up. This is made out of that same great neoprene fabric, which is incredible and water resistant. So this is the inside. It's that same great color inside. We do have a little zippered pocket right here, as well as 3 little elastic holders right there. On this side here, you have this removable little mesh wristlet, just like the other ones, but this is more mesh, and it does have a zipper. So this is really great if you want to keep things separate, because then other than that, this side is just empty. So this is very nice and spacious, and I can't wait to use this as a toiletries bag in a packing video coming up and show you guys. Now, last but not least, we do have their compression cubes, which look a lot like the ones from another company that I feature a lot. There's this really big size. You've got more of a medium size, a smaller long one, a smaller size, a small skinny size, and a teeny little teeny one. Let's go ahead and pack them, and we'll put them in our Quince luggage so we can see how they really fit. All right, here you have it. So this is the Quince 20-inch luggage, not the 21. So it's a smaller carry-on, but that's what I wanted to show you guys. And I have all of the packing cubes in here. Now, obviously there's no reason to use all of these packing cubes, especially in a carry-on bag, but let me show you how they fit. On this side, I have the largest one, and I'm not really a huge fan of the super large ones in carry-on bags because these are more meant for checked bags, but it does fit the large and this tiny one. And then on the compression side, not only do I have this one on top here, but I have the medium size one, which is what I always love to use. I've got this smaller one, and I've got this little small one. And this can totally fit right on top. In fact, we could even use both of those right on top and have this entire side open for other stuff. Because it has such great compression, you can go ahead and fit those in and still close it very easily. Now, you guys, for this video, I just filled the packing cubes up with just a bunch of random stuff just so that I could show you how they fit in the bag. If you guys want me to fill these up, I can always use them in my packing videos that come out on Wednesdays. This 6-pack and the other 6-packs that are out there, they're all exactly the same. All right, guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this haul video. We got so much stuff that literally my entire table is covered. I mean, look at all of these packing cubes. Look at this amazing neoprene toiletries bag. We have this great neoprene backpack that's personal item size. And then, of course, the great neoprene duffel as well. I am loving all of these items. I can't wait to see what you guys think. I do have a link to the Quince store in the description. They don't do any discounts because they are already extremely affordable, especially compared to the larger companies that these are inspired by. If you are going to shop on Quince, the link that I give you in the description does give us a small affiliate commission, so that will help us grow our channel a little bit. So it's not any extra cost to you. It's just clicking through that link if you're interested in buying anything from Quince. A lot of you guys have expressed interest in the clothing on Quince, and I did write a lot of you guys back saying that they really only go up to a size large or extra large on the site right now, and that I'm just a little bit too large to fit into those. But Quince did tell me that they do have some bigger sizes coming out soon. So when that starts to happen, I will definitely give you guys an update and hopefully be able to show you guys some really good travel outfits or items for a capsule wardrobe to feature in my Wednesday videos. If you have any of the items that these Quince items compare to, please let me know down in the comments what you think. All right guys, I will catch you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Happy packing, happy travels, and I'll see you later. Bye.